Hey there, this is an instructional video to demonstrate how to set up and use PropPhone over a Bluetooth connection. Bluetooth has considerably less latency, but the reliability can be a little sketchy in really large venues or we're talking about a lot of distance. So at any rate, first thing to do is to set up your device, go into settings, and always important to go into airplane mode so we don't get any actual calls during the performance. The next step, airplane mode has turned everything off. So now we need to go into your general settings down there and go to Bluetooth and turn on both devices, the Bluetooth on both devices. Now it's going to be, we're looking at this option here. It says searching. Don't worry about that. Leave it just like that and exit out of your general settings. Go into PropPhone. You might get some warning messages like that because the Wi-Fi access is turned off. Totally cool. Don't go to settings. Just hit OK. Okay, so the device on the right will be the prop. The device on the left will be the controller. That's just for clarity. It doesn't have to be that way. And now once you're in here, you can, as I've shown in the other videos, set up your prop device how you like it, whether or not you want to use the default ringer or go into your iPod library and choose any sound that you have recorded or put in there, and then set your looping options or whatnot. So then go into the plug there, and probably in Bluetooth mode this is going to be blank for a second. Bluetooth, it can be a little bit slow to register the services, so you might give it a second and choose your secondary device. Now it's also not totally uncommon for the first time you try this for this to happen over Bluetooth, which says the connection terminated, unable to connect to the selected device, check your settings and try again. Probably it's just a timing thing because Bluetooth is a little bit slow. Just try it one more time and boom. Now you can see there if you watch the Wi-Fi video that in the Wi-Fi video things connected very snappy and reliably, but there was quite a bit of latency between the heartbeat. In this setup with the Bluetooth, the heartbeat is nearly totally in sync. So not that it really matters for this type of application. A little latency is not that big a deal, but it's kind of interesting, I guess. So now we can control everything, the looping on and off and whatnot. Let's go ahead and go to our default ringer, and let's go ahead and go into action view down the bottom right, which takes us to our blank screen, ready to go. And when the time is nigh for the phone call to come in, booyah! You got your incoming call screen, it's looping, and then if you want to answer it, you get your connected screen, and you can end it like that. And of course you can turn looping off and you can just trigger each ring. Obviously it would be doing the same thing if it was just a sound file from your iTunes library, so on and so forth. So basically that's it. You can decline or whatever, get back to your standby screen. There's a small arrow in the bottom corner to get back to here. You can just disconnect by exiting any of these screens. And you're done. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, please let me know. Shoot me an email. I'd love to hear them, and I'd love to hear about people using this app. So thanks a lot, and have fun.